An incredible lifestyle in a brand new Bloomfield home is waiting for you here at Hayes Crossing in Midlothian, one of the fastest growing cities in Texas. The community has a private feel located on Hayes Road just off FM 1387, minutes from historic downtown Midlothian, with easy access to Highway 287, 67, 360, and 20. This lets you get in and out of Dallas, Arlington, and Fort Worth with ease. Bloomfield is known for its innovative designs, architectural elements, and included luxury features. With large home sites, you have more flexibility to choose homes with side entry garages. Now, add in designed amenities like trails, greenbelt, community park, and playground. We feature our Carolina 4 model home in Hayes Crossing, a versatile design that can be built as a one-story or a two-story with game room, media room, bedroom, and bathroom options. And with every Bloomfield home, you're getting more luxury features at the base price than any other builder in the Metroplex. Just one of the reasons we were named Builder of the Year. Living here means you're surrounded by year-round activities. There's Joe Pool Lake, Cedar Hills State Park, along with sports fields and open spaces. And students attend the highly acclaimed Midlothian ISD with the high school, middle school, and elementary school all nearby with great academic and athletic programs with low student-to-teacher ratios. Don't miss your chance to live in Hayes Crossing. There are only a few home sites left.